my new tent on day 22nd, day 22. Good morning all. Whoa, yes, very nice. Slept, no raining, no windy, somewhere in a forest. Today we'll go to Santander. It's about 30 kilometers to go, 35, 30. We'll check city. We'll put drone up as well. We'll make a footage. Relaxed day. Half day pedaling, half day chilling. So, looking forward to start my day. Good morning, good morning. Day 22. Here we go. Here how we wake up in wild camping again. Finally we get wild camping. Just mini forest. So this is my new tent. It's a bit heavy, 2.6 kilograms. Double person, but this is all they got, the best and like the easiest one, the lightest one, so I have no choice to take this one. Only 30 euro. It's same price as I will take Airbnb for one night, so I'd rather take this one and gonna ride it for now. I don't know how long, but it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Let's start the day. Let's pack. It's not raining. A bit cold. 9 degrees only. Let's start the day. That's it. Leaving our forest. Not being far away from the pathway, but at night there is nothing. No one walking. Only some animals cracking the woods, but not very much. Oh, let's check where to go and go on the road. We're now in Viveda. Early morning, 8:40. Going to find some treasure again. Might be some nice souvenirs. We'll see, it's nearby, only 1 kilometer, so we'll check it. So as you see, stones fell off. I got photo how it looks like, but it's nothing here. Someone already took it. Okay. Leaving Viveda. Yes, going, pushing. Big long hill. Gonna be couple on this route till Santander. This is first one. It's not cold. 8 degrees when you're pedaling. It's warm, very warm. No cars today, any at all. Ah, it's a Good Friday today, yeah. Celebration. Easter coming on Sunday, yeah. Push. Whew. Early morning warm up. Next city, Oruna, Pelagos. Again riding the top of the hill. Soon we'll go down. And then after 6 kilometers another hill. Ike, camino e Ike. Hola. Hello. Yes. Hello. Ike muso. Camino del Norte. Nu va, 12 kilometrų. Nebedaug, pusę kelio beveik. Yra. Nebeveik, yra. Sprogo tiesiog. Second hill. Second. Pushing. Pushing. A little bit more. Still climbing this hill. Not finishing. Bastards. Nu, užkopėm. Šiaip ne taip. Pavargau net. Iš pat ryto. Santander. A lot of flats. Big houses. Big city. We'll see what we got near the sea side. Taigi uostas, didžiulis uostas. Laivų begalės. Trantenzuko. Marina. Okay. Didelis miestas, nepatinka man dideli miestai. Labai daug čia važinėtis. Kateriukai. Beautiful pictures on the walls. So going to cathedral to see as well, because seaside is windy, nothing much, sandy. Didn't like it. No, English.
Ah, English.
English.
Spanish.
English.
Spanish.
Yeah, I like it. Good. Around, going. Euro trip.
Bye.
Okay. So we got excavators going up. to help people climb the hills. Nu va, skveriukai tokie va. Centriniai. Čia yra katedra Santanderio, iš kitos pusės. Važiuojam arčiau pažiūrėt. Mergelė Marija. Nothing much, big city, a lot of stuff, but nothing interesting. Not happy about it. Not gonna stay here for long. Go to cafe, load the video, and we'll go next. We'll see where to go. Bilbao way. Shortcut GPS working perfectly. Need to climb the stairs. Oh, yeah. Bicycle, not very heavy, but got some stuff, so it's not easy. City on the hill again. Need to climb up to get to another side. Going to the park now, because yeah, another side is not very nice. Only those hills are good. Everything else, nothing special. Need to climb up on this elevator. Animo. And it's going! Free elevator. Free elevator. Top of the top. Santander. Just climbed down the elevator a little bit from the downstairs. Easy way. Good, awesome. Let's go to the park. I think it's gonna be much better view. Sorry. No brakes. Big park, just down the hill, surrounding the city. My lunch at Santander. Nice park in the city center. Loading video soon will be loaded. Sitting at night, you're waking up all sweat, and you need like just to eat quick. Sometimes eat too much as well, and then it's going up, and it's like, you know, it's so complicated. It's not easy actually to balance.
You have to inject the insulin.
But if you like not eating much, then it's okay. But sometimes you just want to eat a lot, like, you know, you're just hungry.
So you have to do it once a day or more times a day?
More times. So when you eat, you need to use insulin for me. For type 2 diabetes, we got different style.
Well, there are different levels. So
We got different levels. We're not using insulin. We got diet. We got tablets, and we're living like that, like you know.
our friend was like that, and now he has to inject once a day.
Yeah.
So maybe you have to do it more.
I do have two different insulins. So I have. Pleasure. Thank you.
Good luck.
Good
Pleasure
luck.
to meet you. Yeah.
Hello, yes.
Hello, yes.
Yes. And yeah.
My new friends
We're going
in Santander.
Say hello.
Beautiful Santander seacoast from another side. Amazing. Casino. Yeah, so I met guys who was born here in Santander, so we said this lane is gonna be the best to see the coast, and they was right, and they offered me to go on a ferry to another side to save some kilometers and continue my journey next. Let's go. So we get boat to Samo. Just a bit shortcut, not got around. Awesome. Got a ticket, £3, €3.60. 20 minutes will be boat. Just over here. And we'll go up there to not go all the round. So taking a boat to Soma. We're in a boat going to Soma from Santander. Just over there, a bit shortcut.
That's like a grill.
Amazing. Mini ferry. Leaving Santander to city Somo. Little ferry. Saved me about 14 kilometers the journey. Amazing. First ferry on this journey. first ferry in the journey. Plaukiam kitą pusę. Galėjau važiuoti va ten aplinkui, arba tiesiog perplaukti. Tai perplauksim šį kartą. Pirmas keltas kelioniai. Kodėlgi nepasinaudojus. First stop, Lithuania. Not many people go to Pirena. Most of the people go to Sumo. There is another side over there, which another river need to cross or go around like 4 or 5 kilometers. Thank you. Thank you. Raining in some places. Hopefully it will not gonna rain on me. Going to Santander, 24 kilometers. So we came to the steep hill over there, but GPS saying go here on the villages with the cows, with žalmargės mano. So we're going here now. Shaky roads. So there's gonna be some hills here anyway, but it's much less than that way. What's the bird there? Leave in the comments, please. Who knows? So climbing up, pushing. Drink 2-3 beers. In Santander it's a bit difficult now, but it's going. Go 19 kilometers to reach our destiny. Change my battery. Already all of them empty. Got one full left, but this full will take almost all day, so no worries. We'll charge our next stop. Last stop didn't charge anything. Didn't have any plugs. Whew. Climbing a little bit here in the forest. No animals, birds, no people, no cars. Whew. Not long to go. We'll reach destination about 6 o'clock, so we'll have little cafe for an hour and then camping spots from 7 till 8 to find out and build it. I manage my tent poles, put poles here on the back and camping tent in the front, so it's not make me like full of big camping back. Yeah, here we go, let's go. Nebeturiu jėgų, kebra, negaliu važiuoti toliau. No more power. No more power, žalmargės. No more power. Nebijau, nebijau. Nekasiu, neįkasiu. Galima pieno biškį. Man reikia dripsniam. Kirilas, need some milk. Please. So nice to be here, but I need to go. See ya. Amigos. Rain is coming. Oh. Finally climbed this hill. Shit. Pavargę, išvertę tešmenį savo. The rain is just on the way. Probably need to prepare somewhere. Rinkimas. Nu, ateikit, paglostysiu visus. Nu, ko vardu būsit? Jose? Kaip sakai? Nu, ateik. Duogi paglostysiu. Oi, kokie geri. Nevalgiai tačių žolių. Kokie faini jūs visi. Wow. Nu, būsit mano nauji followeriai. Palaikinkitgi mano channelius visus, nu. Taip neblogai einas kol kas. Nu, ateik žalmurgis. Ateik. Fainuoliai. Patinka? Kaip kas? Patinka. Nu, žiūrovam irgi patinka ties labai. Visi tik žiūri. Visi tik laikina. Nu, kliukai. O tik tu nori. Duok ir jamgi. Duok ir jį pakasys. O. Gerai, reikia važiuoti, neturiu daug laiko. Taip. Traška dviratis po truputį, bet nieko baisaus. Nu va, matot, kaip gražu. Vėl lietutis. Left about 8 kilometers to camping spot. And we're gonna go in the rain. Again.
After 300 meters, turn right.
Okay. Challenge accepted. Radio stotis lietus. Nu, už lango pliaupia lietus. O mūsų jaunimas šiandien mina pedalus per visą Europą. Ką padarysi, taip jau nutinka. Tenka kovoti už stichijom. Speed bumpai. Neblogai čia pila. Plauksim! O kaip jūsų vakaras? Nežinau ar matos, bet labai gražu čia. Čia yra ieškosim kempingo kažkur va, kažkur tai. Kažkur va reik lyst po medžiais. Gal ten, patekint, reik patikrint. So I found a spot, just over here, but it's very hard to get in here. Need to climb some stones, this grass as well, with all the buses like I'm a monster, all bags in once. Over these piktžolės, visokios gilgilės, bet vaizdas bus iš ryto, wow. Rain forgot. So I built it from a rain little bit, some blanket, and now I'm gonna put tent underneath, so it's not gonna get wet totally. It might work, make a progress from last time to get all soaked. Yeah, another day, another raining. Supposed to be there, that side, but it didn't went. Don't want to make too much today, and this kind of weather will do slowly, but guarantee that will be all right. So let's build the tent now. So I made a tent. While I was making it, it got a bit wet, but now it's getting dry. So we're gonna go sleep, and day 22 finished. Woo, yes! Keep going. Soon we reach 100 days around. So Lithuania, I'm coming.